And a very good afternoon, everybody. I'm Channel 2 Action News meteorologist Austin Chaney here in Severe Weather Center 2. Our tower cam looking towards Midtown and downtown Atlanta, showing a tropical sky this evening over Atlanta. But we haven't seen any rainfall today, getting a break from that so far today. Our temperature outside right now at 91 degrees. That is down from our high temperature of 93 earlier today. But once you factor in the moisture we have in place, feeling much warmer. Our heat index right now at 96 degrees. And again, no rainfall recorded at Atlanta Hartsfield Jackson International. So across Georgia today, we do have this stationary boundary down to our south, and it's really been the dividing line between some moisture down to our south and some drier air to the north. We've seen a few showers in and around the vicinity of this boundary, but the bigger story today, all this dry air in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. So let's flip it on over to the water vapor imagery. This mode of the satellite measures the moisture in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. And where we see all these browns showing up on the map, that's indicative of this dry air, which has limited our storm coverage today. But check it out. Back out to our west and northwest, more green showing up on the map. That's headed in our direction tomorrow. So once we get into the afternoon, we'll see these showers and thunderstorms fire up once again. Let's go through that hour-by-hour forecast. We'll begin at 5 a.m. on Thursday morning. Starting out dry across northern Georgia, mostly cloudy skies in place. But once you step outside tomorrow, you'll notice the humidity right off the bat. It's going to hit you. It's going to be very sticky outside. As we go through the morning hours, we'll start to see a few isolated showers first develop across the northeast Georgia mountains, and then will become more numerous across the rest of northern Georgia and metro Atlanta as we go into the afternoon. Tomorrow's storms will be very slow moving, so any location that does experience a storm could experience that locally heavy rainfall, and it could lead to flooding in some low-lying areas. These heavy showers and downpours will be with us through the remainder of the afternoon, could lead to a slow commute in spots tomorrow, as we're still dealing with this rain by 7 o'clock. Finally, after sunset tomorrow night is when all these showers begin to come to an end. We'll see mostly cloudy skies by 11 p.m. on Thursday night. Storm threats tomorrow. This is what it includes. Heavy rainfall and frequent lightning will be possible with any storm that develops tomorrow. And I want to remind you that July is the most active month for cloud-to-ground lightning strikes across northern Georgia. So if you can hear thunder, you're close enough to be struck by lightning, even if it's not raining. So move indoors once you hear that thunder. We're also going to have a low-end damaging wind risk with the storms that do develop tomorrow. Could see gusts on the order of 40 to 50 miles per hour. And with the saturated ground in place, that will be enough to down some trees. Waking up tomorrow morning, it's going to be a muggy start to the day, and temperatures will be starting out in the low 70s pretty much everywhere. Starting out at 73 degrees here in Atlanta, 71 in Carrollton, 72 out towards Athens, upper 60s across the North Georgia mountains. Tomorrow, we'll have more clouds and precipitation in place, and that's going to hold our temperatures a few degrees cooler than we saw today. I'm forecasting a high temperature of 90 here in Atlanta. That's 1 degree above average for this time of year. Upper 80s, lower 90s will be the story area-wide. Now, I do want to draw your attention to the forecast as we get late Friday into Saturday. We're going to have an unseasonably strong weather system impacting northern Georgia. And we've been going through the data this afternoon, and it's looking more likely that we're going to have the threat for strong and severe thunderstorms across North Georgia as we get into Saturday afternoon. 60-mile-per-hour winds and quarter-sized hail will be the primary threats, and we'll be fine-tuning that part of the forecast over the next few days here in Severe Weather Center 2. So be sure to stick with us here at Channel 2 Action News. So in the 5-day forecast, we do have that shower and thunderstorm threat on your Thursday, again on Friday. Better chance of storms as we get into Saturday, and again, that's when we do have that severe thunderstorm risk. High temperatures this week will reach the upper 80s and lower 90s each day. Be sure to tune into Channel 2 Action News Night Beat at 11, and we'll have an update on that upcoming severe weather threat.